Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring your license and Workbench version are ready. This prevents save errors later. Once done, make a quick backup and open Mechanical so you keep a recovery point. Now locate the geometry or model cell and double-click to enter the environment. You will see the tree on the left. Expand materials to view current assignments. Begin by selecting the part or body whose material you want to change, because selecting first scopes the change to the right object. Next, open engineering data to edit properties or create a new material. This is where the physics come from, so be precise. Click Add to create a custom entry, enter density and elastic constants, and fill thermal or plastic fields if your analysis requires them. Once the material is defined, return to Mechanical. Drag the new material onto the part, or right-click the body and choose Assign Material. Make sure to check for unit consistency, because mismatched units cause incorrect results and unexpected behavior. Finally, update the project so material changes propagate to the solution. This triggers a rebuild of element assignments and prevents stale data. Then validate the setup by inspecting mesh regions, boundary conditions, and connectors that might depend on material properties. Run a quick static solution or a small mesh check to confirm expected behavior. If something goes wrong, revert to your backup or reopen engineering data to correct property entries. Commonly, unit mismatch or misspelled property names cause the issue, so
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.